Want to sew beautiful side ties into your garment? Well, this tutorial is for you. We'll be sewing the ties into a bodice with a 1.5 centimeter or 5/8 of an inch seam allowance in this tutorial, but you can use this same method for any sewing project. To begin, place your back bodice or pattern piece right side up on your workbench. Then, using a washable pen, we love friction markers, mark the point you want your tie to be sewn into your side seam. If your garment has a waist seam, you'll want to allow an extra 2 millimeters to the seam allowance when marking your tie point. This ensures the tie will sit above the waist seam once sewn. In this case, we'll mark 1.7 centimeters or 0.7 inches up from the waist on both side seams. Next, align the bottom edge of your tie, the edge with the sewn seam, with the mark. The raw edge of the tie should overhang by about 0.3 centimeters or 1/8 of an inch. Be sure to pin the tie in place. Place the front and back pattern pieces right sides together, sandwiching the ties between them and pinning in place. Once the tie is pinned from the outside, you can remove the inside tie pin. Also, pin any other seams that need to be sewn. In this case, that's our side and shoulder seams of the bodice. At the machine, sew the shoulder and side seams using a 1.5 centimeter or 5/8 of an inch seam allowance. When you stitch over the ties, backstitch to reinforce. Finish the seams using a single overlock or any other method you prefer. If you need suggestions, we've linked a tutorial on different seam finishes below. Finally, press the seams directionally as per your pattern instructions. And voila! You now have gorgeous side ties that will add a feminine touch to any garment. If you love sewing, we've got something to help you plan out your creations. Our awesome and awesomely free PDF sewing planner. Jot down your measurements, hack plans, and supplies for every project and add your fabric swatches and garment sketches. Use one of our 4 croquis models or sketch on the blank planner pages. It also includes a collection planner for organizing swatches and styling ideas for mini wardrobe collections and a 12-month sewing calendar. Get all your measurements sorted with our journal and step-by-step video tutorial, which walks you through how to take each measurement. Download your planner for free at madelabel.co/planner so you can get creative and plan out the wardrobe of your dreams.